and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm here with two of my daughters and we are going to be drawing Hickory Dickory Dock, which is a nursery rhyme. Do you want to sing it with me?
Yeah! Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock.
Okay, so we're going to draw a big clock with a piece of cheese on the top and a mouse on the top.
Yeah!
All right, let's get started.
Yes! So good. I love getting started on it.
We're going to start with the circle where the... Okay, everyone has to hold still because it gets really wiggly when we all do that. Okay, so we start with the circle where the clock faces. Good job.
Can we do the numbers?
If you can write really small, you can do the numbers. So there's 12.
I can write really small.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's one way you can do it. Also, if you don't want to write all the numbers, you can write dots like Izzy did. And then 12. 1 and 2. No, 1 and 2 together makes 12, remember? So just do it right there. Good. All right. Can we keep going now? All right. And then in the middle, you're going to draw a circle.
Oh, no.
If you want. And then
Did it.
we can have one hand pointing up close to the one and one close up to there. All right. Now we're going to draw one more line around the circle. Now just do a square around that circle.
Squares are tricky. Can you draw a square line?
You can. So just draw lines from here to here, and then to there, and then back down. So follow those dots.
I
knew you could do it. That looks great. Okay, now we're going to draw a skinny rectangle right here.
Wait. Oh, there.
Mm-hmm.
Did it.
Mm-hmm.
Did it, Mom.
Good.
Mom, I did it.
Okay.
Oh, see?
And then we're going to draw,
Look.
yeah, good job. And then another skinny rectangle underneath it.
Oops.
Okay.
Did it.
And now a long rectangle like this. Very good. And then a rectangle inside of that. And then we're doing the chimer. So two skinny lines.
This way.
Oh, yours is actually chiming. Cool. And then a circle at the bottom of it. I like yours, Izzy. It's cool how it's moving. You're doing great. Okay, and then you can draw these little lines in here that show it's see-through.
I want to do two.
We're just doing one because that's all that's in a clock.
Okay.
All right, now we're going to draw another rectangle underneath that big one, a skinny rectangle that's long. Can you draw a long, skinny rectangle?
That's not skinny.
It is.
This thick.
Okay. And now a smaller one right under it.
I feel like this is going to tip down.
Here, you're coming off the screen, I bet. Stay over here. All right, and now a wider, not yet, Izzy. Now a wider rectangle out here. And if you've reached the bottom like she has, that can be the bottom of your clock. But I'm going to do one more. And this one is going to have curvy lines. So I'm going to draw a line down and then over, and then I'm going to curve up and down and up and down, and then over and up. And that's the bottom of the clock. Cool. No, it looks good. All right. Now we need to do a diagonal line that way.
Are those the stairs?
And a diagonal line this way. And then they meet together. Oh, you're getting ahead of us, sweetheart.
Me?
No, her. But that's okay. Now we can do that rainbow shape like she did. And you make it with 2 lines like this. Please, please wait for us, honey.
Like the rainbow.
Yeah. This side, we're going to draw a piece of cheese. So you make a triangle like this.
Mine is on here.
Oh, that's a cool place to put the cheese. Okay, go ahead and make your triangle.
My mouse is trying to get up.
Okay, are you done with your triangle? Okay. And then you draw a line down and another line down and another line down. And that's how you draw your cheese. And you can make it like Swiss cheese by putting little holes in it.
Mine is Swiss cheese, but it's a whole block.
Yeah, that's cool. All right, and then on this side, we're going to draw the mouse. So follow along, girls, okay?
But Mom, mine is trying to get up.
All right, on this side of the ledge, I'm going to draw 2 eyes.
Oops.
It's okay. And then the nose is a little V shape. And then we're going to draw 2 lines going down. And then the top of its head right here.
Its tail is hanging down.
Oh, yeah, that's a cute little mouse. So hers is climbing up the clock. So she's doing hers different than us. But that's okay, we can keep going on ours. And then we're gonna draw some big ears. So the first part is the smaller part of the ear. These 2 little lines. And then you're gonna draw another thin line on the outside of that. Oh my cuteness. That's an adorable mouse. I love it. Okay, and then some whiskers.
1, 2, 1, 2.
All right, and then we're gonna draw some little feet.
I already did.
And then a body. And then it needs a long skinny tail. You don't want it to be thick, you want it to be thin.
Sorry.
Oh no, yours is fine. Yours is fine. Can you draw a little skinny tail coming down?
No, look how thick it is.
It's okay. Oh, that's good. That's good.
It's
Oh my
hanging down.
goodness, that's a cute mouse. Good job.
That's so cute.
So cute. All right.
It's
Now,
hanging down a little more.
now we've drawn Hickory Dickory Dock, and now we can color it.
Yay! Thanks for drawing us.
Yeah, thank you for drawing Hickory Dickory Dock with us. And make sure you follow our channel so you don't miss our future videos. All right. We'll see you next time.
Yes. Bye. Bye. Bye again.